The use of computer vision to stop phishing attacks puts INKY's anti-phishing software in a league of its own. With hackers getting better by the day at creating emails that look legit but are in fact booby-trapped, end users find it nearly impossible to tell the difference. INKY analyzes an email in less than 2 seconds, both as a machine and as a human would. To do the human part of the analysis, INKY needs to see the email. This seeing is done with computer vision. INKY's computer vision technology makes use of more than 24 modules, which work together to determine what the email looks like. The key here is INKY's ability to recognize elements that are close but not exact matches. This technique employs a type of machine learning called clustering. With clustering, INKY intelligently groups data points together in ways that are meaningful to humans. Applied to brands, this capability can correctly identify a distorted or miscolored logo. Applied to text, it can see that a 0 in one font is essentially the same as a 0 in another. In both cases, the impersonating object, which is masquerading as a trusted brand element or a particular English letter, is also trying to hide its duplicity to prevent pattern matching programs from identifying it properly. The graphic that's masquerading as a Microsoft logo is also trying not to trigger any monitoring software that might recognize a Microsoft logo. Once INKY knows what the email is trying to impersonate, it can easily check to see its true identity. All the information about its origin is in the email itself. Using the machine side of the analysis, INKY can quickly check to see whether an email that seems to come from Microsoft actually comes from a domain under Microsoft's control. If not, INKY raises an alert to warn the recipient that the message is malicious. Contact us to demo INKY today. It installs in minutes and protects for a lifetime.